Hello and welcome to vlog 22. My name is Claire, Luca's adorable kitty cat. Hey, we're talking about names today. We're under our amazing apple tree over here, Adam. Adam makes the yummiest apples in the world. Creating a name is a human thing. It is something that is very unique to us as a species. Like when we always say, oh, this plant or this animal has been discovered. What, like that animal or that plant would be like, what the hell are you talking about? I always was here. Just because you guys hadn't put a name on me yet doesn't mean I didn't exist. But creating a name sort of puts it inside of the domain of humanity. And as such, some people that might listen to how I keep describing how I want to mimic nature might see names as kind of contrary to that. Because if we're trying to mimic nature, shouldn't we all just not have names? Shouldn't shouldn't we be mimicking that with which I'm trying to copy? However, just because nature doesn't do it yet doesn't mean that it's something that we should push aside. Because even though naming is a human invention, unlike pollution or whatever, it isn't necessarily a detrimental invention. Because just as we went from single-celled organisms to multicellular organisms to plants and animals, and then evolved further from there to us with our cerebral cortex that can create language, it isn't a bad thing by any stretch of the imagination. I mean, would bacteria see us in our multicellular forms as bad? No, I mean, we have bacteria inside of us. We host many cells that wouldn't be able to survive outside. So as such, I see naming as actually an extension of the natural world. It's just the next step. Because just as nature evolves and grows, so do the rules, in a sense. So do how we interact with it. So, as it stands, I see the naming convention as another just simple extension of that. So, conclusion, name your plants. If you have any plants, I suggest naming them, if you haven't already. It'll prevent you from throwing it out when it ain't doing so hot, and maybe it'll help you stick it out and grow it into a much stronger version of the same plant. Alright, Luca Ravelli signing off for vlog number 21. See you around.